if you are not learning this language, if you are not learning English, which means you are going go down in the flames in your future. Or English is not as any kind of language that you are preferring right now, because English is gonna to be crucial for your life. Even if you live in the rural area, it doesn't matter, but English will be crucial for you in your future. So this is why in this video I will be telling you something why should you learn English, as well as I will be also telling you that how can you learn English from scratch in this rural area. So without any procrastination, let's get started. So firstly, I think before learning any kind of thing, I always tell in my videos that you need to have vision, because without vision you can't learn any kind of things, especially the new language. Because for example, you can see that I come from the rural area where I don't have anybody who can learn, who can talk with me in this language. So this is why. But how I learned this language, because I had some strong reason for learning this language, and this is why I'd highly recommend you that you need to have some strong reason. And if you don't think where I think which is the strong reason for learning this language, so let me tell you. First is English is a global language. You really know, I know that you must be familiar with this thing, that English is a global language and English is used everywhere in every kind of things. Even if you are living in the rural area, but if you have any kind of document, for example if you are a student, and so you must have a document of class 10th, class 11th, class 12th, etc. So in those documents you will see English. I think you will see most of the time English language are printed on those papers, on those document. But why? Let me tell you that we are living in this country, we are living in the India, but still English is used in every kind of things. Even if we are living in the rural area, there here English is also used. But why? So bro, you can also feel that the potence of English in the everywhere. I'm not talking about that if you are living in the cities then only you will need English. Not bro, you are living in the rural area, then only you will be necessary, English will be necessary for you. So this is why you should learn this language right now. You should start learning this language right now from today onwards, because bro, English is I've already told you that English is a global language, or I think it will be crucial part of your life. So this is why you start learning this language from right now. So firstly, that English is a global language. Second is like, I've already told you that in every kind of documents English is used. Third is that's the most crucial for everybody, that everybody wants to get a job, for making their dream easy, for facilitating their dream. So this is why for getting the job you will also need English. You need to have knowledge about learning English, you need to have knowledge about English. Or I think in some jobs you should, it's a recommendation, it's a mandatory to speak English. So this is why, for example, if you go to the any kind of job interview, but there English is mandatory for interview, or English is mandatory for the job. So what will you do in that time? Definitely I think you will be sad, you will be miserable that time. So this is why, without, if you don't want to be miserable in that moment, so please start learning this language from scratch from today onwards. So this is why. And right now I have already told you. And third is, I believe that it is one of the, like in, I think, no, third is, I think it's a crucial reason for learning this language, that's AI. Because in this era, this era is called the era of AI. And in the era of AI, English will be mandatory for any kind of things. If you learn any kind of tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google Gemini, so in those tools you need to have strong, you need to have, like, English language, then only you will be able to respond to the AI. So this is why you should always think that how English is gonna to be crucial for me in my future. So this is why you need to learn this language as much as uh, possible. You can start right now. So right now let's go on the topic, main topic, that what how should we learn this language. So for learning this language you need to have a strong reason that I have already told you some reasons why should you learn this language. Second is like how should start. So for starting the language I want to tell you that you need to have clear one grammar topic which is the significant for every kind of students, especially who I think especially those persons, those students who have not any friend, who speak English. So this is why you need to clear one topic which is found in grammar, that is tense. Because in the tense, when you learn the tense, so you will be eligible to make lots of sentence, and when you become able to make lots of sentence, so you will be able to easily speaking those sentences. So this is why you need to clear one thing, that's a tense. After learning, after complete the tense, you should start making sentences like present, past and future. So after learning the tense you will be eligible to make sentences, and after making sentence you have to speak those sentences from your mind. And in that case when you practice every day, so definitely your mind, your mouth will be transformed, will be morphed into that language. So firstly you need to learn tense. Second is like you need to make sentence after that, after learning that. And third is like watch videos. For example, everybody has a phone I think, so instead of watching any kind of bad things on the YouTube, I'd highly recommend you to learn to you watch any kind of video which is in your native language, because in the beginning of the time you are not able to understand English language, especially in the video. So this is why you have to watch any kind of videos in your native language but with English subtitles. So third is watching the video with English subtitles, and through this way you and the next method is practice, bro. Practice is everything. You really know that the more you practice the more better you become. So this is why fourth is practice, everyday practice. And if you think so, I'd from my perspective you should speak the sentences, you should read the news, you should read the story book at least 30 minutes in the morning time. And 30 minutes, I'll highly recommend you that 30 minutes is necessary for you, because in the beginning time you need to give little bit of time on this language, especially speaking. Because I'm not telling you to learn, I'm also telling you to speak this language. And for speaking this language you will have to speak, you will have to articulate. So this is why speak the I think read the story news, or speak the sentences that you make in your notebook. And for these kind of things you will need the tense, you will need the complete of tense. So this is why before doing these kind of things you will have to complete tense. So let's recap this video. English is crucial, bro, and I think this is gonna to be significant for your life in your future. So second is that you need to have a strong reason. I've already told you that, bro. English is gonna to be like a nectar for everybody, amrit, that's called for everybody. And third is how to learn in this era, sorry, how to learn this language in the rural area. So I think you have to complete tense, after that making sentence, and third is speak those sentences. And fourth is practice, bro. Practice is everything, bro. And fifth, I'd like to tell you that's watching the videos with English subtitles. So I hope that you must have learned. And I think bro, at the end of the video I'd highly recommend you that practice is everything. So this is why only having ambition is not sufficient, is not sufficient for anybody else. So this is why you need to practice every day. At least you need to give an hour each and every day. So and if you do this way, so definitely you will become a good speaker in this language. So that's why I'm going to end this video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.